this freaking thing. Well, look who's back. It's me. And I know I'm not really making videos anymore much, but there's a quick project I want to make. I need a new lid for this freaking thing. It's looking about as solid as a billionaire's marriage right now, so I need to take some measurements, throw this thing out, and build a new one. Should take about 2 days, hopefully.
This is a bucket.
Let me just get my trusty piece of wood for all the measurements. I'm running away. There are so many fucking bugs here. Let's get to making. Thankfully, I actually have some nice fresh new materials I bought the other day, and let's go get some. Didn't actually count how many I need. I'm just kind of winging it. So this is what I measured out, about 180. So the complete outside with the overhang is gonna be about 122. So I'll start working on that first. I'll kind of make the first board and then go towards the outside, cutting the boards shorter and shorter. Okay, I have this approximate circle done now. What I'll do now is I'll make a board across there, but it's gonna be on the length of the inner diameter. I need to figure out where I want the little latch thingy, you know, to get the bucket out. I think I'll make the latch these 3 boards. Cut them about here later. Now I need to make some smaller boards that are gonna go over the gaps. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is take some of the 15 centimeter wide boards, just these, cut them in half, no, cut them to length, then cut them in half. For these cuts I'm gonna test out this little extra dust suction up thingy I made. This is just a prototype, that's why it's so janky right now. Okay, well, for the first prototype it does kind of work. Anyways, here's all the pieces that I made. how do I do this? I need to screw them from the underside, but I need to see them from the top to make sure they're right in the middle of the gaps. Okay, now then, I need to figure out how to make this into a nice circle. Okay, I made a sled. It looks very nice. The hole and this aligned, so the screw goes into the hole. Oh shit, what? Nice. Okay. Now then, time to do some sketchy stuff. We have a problem. It's working good. This is pretty nice and circular, but the table saw can't reach these all the way through because I use such thick pieces on the underside, so I need to replace them with something less thick. I put on some slimmer thingies, drill the hole, let's get back to sawing, hopefully successfully this time. Well then, that nightmare is finally over. I am gonna sand this before painting it so it doesn't absorb 3 million liters of paint. Jesus Christ, what a mess. What a huge mess. Oh my god, how am I gonna get this stupid workbench back? Jeepers creepers. Where'd you get those creepers? Okay, Scooby Gang, the workbench is almost back in its original spot. Somehow it moved forward, I'm not sure how. I'm gonna make some extra pieces so that the lid doesn't move this way. So right now this piece is stopping it from moving that way, you know. I'm gonna add 2 more on each thingy, but this one kinda has to be cut in weird shapes so it, otherwise I won't be able to get the bucket through, you know. Watch me move, cause like I'm crazy. It is time to finally paint the thing. Piece of cat. It's painted! Okay, let's put on the lid thingy. What is it called? Trapdoor? No, that's Minecraft. Got my hinges, spray painted them black so they would fit in better. Don't like how these stick out so much. Oh my god. Oh, that fits so well. But does the butt kit go through? Yeah. Excellent, broski, excellent. It looks actually brown, you know. Also, I should probably add another coat. You can see a whole lot of wood shining through still in many places. Anyways, thanks for watching. This might maybe be part 1 of 2. I might add like a 2 poles and a little roof over and one of those rolly things to get the bucket up easier, you know. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. And also, if you don't like how long it took me to make another video, complain about it in the comments, and then I'll take even longer to upload the next one. Anyways, all jokes aside, but I do need to go into the forest over there sometime with the tractor, probably with the Belarus, because it has 4-wheel drive, has lock differentials, and it just more power. It doesn't have very good brakes though, so okay, peace. Done. I made a freaking well lid. Okay, time to go home.